Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Outlook and going straight to File Options Advanced. This gets you to Auto Archive and Data File Settings. Decide whether you need Manual Archive for one-off cleanups or Auto Archive for ongoing maintenance, because Auto Archive saves time but creates recurring moves. Make sure you note the PSD path and choose a retention threshold, such as items older than 6 months, so you keep recent mail accessible while clearing older data securely. Once done with settings, you create the archive by choosing File Info Cleanup Tools Archive, select specific folders, and set the date filter to include only messages older than your chosen threshold. This moves messages into Archive. PSD, which reduces mailbox size and improves performance. If you use Exchange Online, instead enable the Online Archive mailbox for server-side retention. Otherwise, export to a local PSD and consider compacting it. To finish, attach the archive. PSD with File Open Outlook data file so archived folders appear in your folder list, and then verify by searching archived mail. Make sure to add frequently used archive folders to favorites for fast access and back up the PSD to external storage. If you can't see archived items, rebuild the Windows search index or re-add the PSD. This common fix restores visibility without data loss. Finally, test restore of one message to confirm integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.